Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aya. Thanks for tuning in. So today I recorded everyday natural glam kind of tutorial for you guys. It's really simple and straight to the point. You can wear this every day and you can also wear this to outings. Like, I feel like it's natural but still beat. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, so we're gonna get right into the tutorial. So jumping right into it, I'm applying concealer to my eyelid base, and this is just going to give me a nice clean surface to apply my eyeshadows onto. And I'm just blending all that concealer out with my damp beauty blender, and today's palette is going to be the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. I really love this palette, guys. It's really versatile. So going in with the color Pukey, I'm just going to take my time and pat that into my crease area. This is going to be my first layer of my transition color. Now using that same brush, I'm taking the shade Mocha and just applying that right on top of the color Pukey just to give me more definition. And then I'm going to use a clean blending brush. Whoa, I'm so tongue-tied today. I'm using a clean blending brush to diffuse any harsh lines. With no added product, I'm just going to take that same concealer brush I used earlier and just pat that right onto my eyelid space. I'm patting because I don't want anything super defined and I don't want it to look like a cut crease. So I'm just going to use my fingertip and just blend that out and make sure it's a nice even surface. Look at how smooth that looks. So now going back into the palette and using the color Obsessed, which I am obsessed with. As you can see, it's almost done. So using a patting motion and my flat eyeshadow brush, I'm just applying that shimmer eyeshadow right onto the area that I applied the concealer. And that's it for the eyes. Pretty simple, right? And now I'm just going to use my $5 eyelashes that I got from my beauty supply, and we are done for the eyes. So onto the face, I'm using my Tarte Poreless and my Becca Mattifying Primer. I'm going to apply the Becca Mattifying Primer right onto my nose because this is where I get most oily. I have a love-hate relationship for this product, guys. I'll explain in another video, but I'm going to apply the Tarte Poreless Primer all over the rest of my face. For foundation, I am using my Holy Grail Studio Fix Fluid, and I picked up a new foundation from MAC also, which is their Pro Longwear Waterproof Foundation, and so far I honestly like it, guys. MAC does not disappoint me. I don't know, like, their foundations don't make me look yellow, don't make me look orange. Like, I always look like my color, which is a good thing. So I'm using the brush that I use to apply the foundation just to clean up the top of my brows. I usually do this with concealer, but since, you know, this is kind of like a natural look, I'm just gonna keep it natural, and foundation does the same job as the concealer. So for concealer, I'm using Colourpop and Wet n Wild. I'm going to use the Colourpop one first because it is closer to my skin tone color, and then I'm going to use the Wet n Wild one because it is a little lighter and will give my face a little bit of a highlight. And I'm going to blend that out with my damp beauty blender. And the reason why I love these concealers is because they have amazing coverage and they are affordable. So you don't gotta break the bank to get these concealers because they are very budget friendly. So to set my face, I'm using my Mercier translucent powder, and I am not baking today, guys. I'm setting, so I'm just going to continue to press this powder into my skin until it disappears. For blush, I wanted something a little soft and subtle and something that would give me a nice color payoff but not too bright, and I felt like this NYX blush was perfect for that. To glow me up today, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood highlighter, and I almost forgot that I had this bad boy, guys. Like, when this highlighter first came out, it was so popular. Like, it was sold out back to back to back to back to back. So it's definitely a good highlighter. Get you one if you can. And I've grown to love this spray, guys. If you're not used to the smell, I think it just has like a weird smell at first, but then you get used to it. And yeah. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. Mascara, some lip gloss. I don't wear lipstick, guys. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I don't know. Lipstick is just not for me for now. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what you think down below. I know the lashes are probably like not everyday wearable. For me, they kind of are, because I normally think I do much more dramatic lashes, and these are kind of almost like wispy-ish. So yeah, maybe I'm gonna start doing some more soft glam looks. I did not contour my face today. I hope you guys noticed that in the video. I did not contour my nose either. Like, you know, some steps are really just optional, so you can do what you feel like doing. There is no do or don't. Like, this is just my version of a natural, soft, everyday look, and I really hope, like, you know, you guys enjoyed it. Don't mind my missing nails. It's a long story. But thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to leave me some love down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It'll mean a lot to me. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video.